I found out about him through our insurance company. We kind of searched some dentists in the area that was near us. I've had many bad dental experiences in the past. I have not had any bad ones here. This has been the best experience I've had. Most of the dentists I've been to seem to not be able to get me fully numb. Dr. Klein's a whole lot different than that. He touches the tooth for a little bit and then stops and asks if I'm in any pain. And if I am, he'll make adjustments immediately. There are a lot of options for sedation and the gas, which is kind of nice, and I've used both. That helped tremendously. I have had a lot of dental work done here. I've had a bridge put in, I've had a tooth extracted, and an implant put in, and I've had minor fillings here and there. The most recent one was I lost an old root canal tooth, and I thought for sure that I was going to have another implant, and it was not the case. He was able to save it, which not only saved me a lot of pain, but it also saved me a lot of money. I didn't have too many people that I knew that had a implant, so I didn't really know what to expect. But he explained to me in great detail what was going to happen and how it was going to happen. So yeah, just hearing some of that was a little spooky, but he seemed pretty confident in getting it done, so he made me feel a little bit more at ease. I have the tooth now installed, and it's working great. I've had no issues whatsoever with that tooth. His chairside manner is very good. Again, he doesn't just jump in and start going to town. When he starts, he wants to make sure that I'm comfortable. So he asked me before, and when he starts, he stops and asks me again. The experience of the staff is fantastic. They really are. They poke fun, and I like to poke fun. One instance, when I woke up from the sedation, I was told by one of the staff that I had made her a deal to install some fence for her at a ridiculous price. So yes, we had fun with that for a couple of weeks. The receptionist, we kid back and forth. I try to sneak out of here without paying, and she catches me, and it's kind of fun. And then the girls that are in here helping Dr. Klein, they sit down and talk to me for a little bit, kind of make me feel a little comfortable about sitting in that chair. The scheduling has been fantastic. They really work around my schedule. I like to do things in the morning before my day really gets started, and they've been able to accommodate that. And if I have an emergency, I got a tooth that's bothering me, I just make a phone call. If nothing else, just stop by, and he gets me right in to check it out. My father has come up here, and my wife also comes up here. And I have my employees, I also tell them, if you have to have any dental work, you need to go up here and see Dr. Klein. I've spent a lot of money in my mouth to make sure that I keep all my teeth. To me, it's worth the investment. I feel good about the value that I've put into my mouth. Like I say, I've spent a lot of money in my mouth, but I'd do it again.